it's so hard to deal with everything that life's got for you every day. Can I just have a moment to take a breath? I'm raising balls to have a day for myself. Issues rise up at every corner, I'm trying to ignore them. Wish I could snap a finger, make them disappear. And now that disappointment and everything is pointless. I have no time for this. No, 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 I have no time for this. Put on the music, little louder, please. I have no time, I have no time, I have no time. It will be fun to lose control. Wanna be dancing, dancing. No one can stop me, stop me. Wanna be dancing, dancing. No one can stop me. Easy to get, feel like this sometimes. Need a reboot just to feel alive. All of the pressure to be fight, but now I have no time. Issues rise up at every corner, I'm trying to ignore them. Wish I could snap a finger, make them disappear. And now that disappointment and everything is pointless. I have no time for this. No, 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 I have no time for this. Put on the music, little louder, please. I have no time, I have no time, I have no time. It will be fun to lose control. I have no time, I have no time, I have no time. It will be fun, it will be fun, it will be fun. I have no time, I have no time, I have no time. It will be fun to lose control. I have no time, I have no time, I have no time. It will be fun, it will be fun, it will be fun. I have no time, I have no time, I have no time. To lose control. Wanna be dancing, dancing. No one can stop me, stop me. Wanna be dancing, dancing. No one can stop me.
Woke up just a little pissed today. Feeling like the coldest snow in me. Someone hold my nerves for me, please. Hit the gum stuck right on my desk. Got enough for that stupid test. And someone slammed the door right in my face. You touched the volcano, won't leave it like that. Just wait for it. I'll come up with something good. I'll cut your hair, put a slate on your chair. That's fun, but I guess I won't do that. It's your mistake, you've been sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. Losing you again. It's your mistake, you've been sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. Blacklist has your name. Finally, I'm home, things should be fine. But the carpet still don't have to stain. On my white shirt, I'm in shock, so is the shirt. I have nothing left to say. Maybe Instagram will help with you, but seeing happy couples makes me ill. Some pretty looking girl, sure enough, some pretty cash, and I'm pouring only in my bed. Volcano, won't leave it like that. Just wait for it. I'll come up with something good. I'll cut your hair, put the slate on your chair. That's fun, but I guess I won't do that. think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You're my TikTok girl, like the way you're so low. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, so like you're on. You're my TikTok guy. It all started when I saw your page. Seeing your smile, you took my breath away. I feel like I haven't known you forever. I love every word you say. Baby, you're my number one FYP. You chat with other people, but you notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk bad, like you look so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. You make it talk guy. Is it too much to ask? A simple click. Feeling really anxious, I refresh the page. Still no new notifications. Still no one in your life. Baby, you're my number one FYP. Chat with other people, but don't notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk bad, like you look so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. Then one day I think that all my prayers finally were heard. Sadly now I find a better TikTok guy. I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk guy, like you look so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it talk guy. You make it talk guy. On my mind, there's so much going on. I should maybe go and get somewhere. See the lights that are brighten up the streets, and those happy little kids, those corners where humans hiding all their problems, the faces that are so gray. And I can only question why was it worse in this life. You tell me. So diverse, how everyone plays their part. Lovers, you can see it on the streets. On the streets. On the streets. On the streets. When are you? Are you the neighbor that will smile every time I pass him by, but cries late at night? 'Cause of the bills I used to pay, there might be no place to stay. You can't be the one who's got a happy family. We all can grow and shine so bright. And I can only question why was your quest in this life. You tell me. So diverse, how everyone plays their part. Lovers, you can sit on the streets. On the streets. You sit on the streets. On the streets. In the streets. Cries and laughing happy kids. On the streets. You can sit on the streets.